Hi all, welcome back to TNOC. We at TNOC never promote a specific brand or a specific shop, and all recommendations and suggestions that we provide are personally tested by multiple members, and only then we do it. We just do not go to a shop or a brand and say that this is good, that is good. So right, in this video we are going to see about internal panel protection or cavity wax by 3M. Members have installed that and found it to be pretty useful. The purpose of cavity wax is to prevent rusting and corrosion on the internal panels. It's basically applied on all 4 doors, the boot door as well as on the bonnet or the hood door. So there's a tube which contains a liquid. It's in liquid form and it's sprayed inside the door cavity, and once it hardens or solidifies, it becomes like a greasy texture or a waxy texture, and this protects the panel. It is not mandatory or compulsory to have it. Since Chennai is a coastal area and Tamil Nadu is predominantly a coastal region, it's good to prevent corrosion and rust. So if the price is okay and if you are okay with it, you can go ahead and do it. Again, it's not mandatory, it's not compulsory. There are many vehicles which have not done it. So it all depends on how much you're willing to spend, and as always, cost and other details are mentioned in this video. So let's look at how the wax is applied and we'll take it from there.